sharp southwest corner unit with wraparound balcony. Apt in good condition new or upgraded laminate flooring, impact windows and 30F5 openings including sliding glass door and storm shutters for the other windows. Panoramic views include various city skylines, port, cruise ships and sunsets. Great amenities feature heated pool, gym, tennis, shuffleboard, saunas, library, garage parking, exterior storage and sea air wash area. Super Southeast 17th Street location is close to beach, airport, downtown, LA fitness, shopping and many restaurants.